How to edit selfies for LinkedIn using FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device and upload a clear selfie or take a new photo using the camera icon. For LinkedIn, choose a professional photo with good lighting and a simple background. Next, use the Retouch tool to smooth your skin naturally. Keep the effect subtle to maintain a professional look while over-editing. You can apply the makeup filter lightly for a clean and polished appearance, avoiding heavy effects to keep it professional. Try using the background blur or the crop tool to focus on your face and remove any distractions from the background. Use the smiles filter to add a friendly expression, which helps make your profile more appreciable. After editing, carefully review your photo to make sure it looks natural and confident. Adjust the intensity of filters as needed. Finally, save your photo in high resolution and upload it to your LinkedIn profile for a polished professional look. Now you know how to edit selfies for LinkedIn using FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.